Chapter 14. Words of Position. Learn with me. Read the following sentences. The plane took off at 9 a.m. The cat jumped out of the window. John parked the car near his house. Roma passed the thread through the beads. Danish jumped into the river. I love reading story about wizards and magic. The words at, of, near, through, into, and about tell us about the position of a person or animal or thing. They answer the question, where is, are, he, she, it, they. These words are called words of position, prepositions. Some commonly used words of position are in, on, behind, under, over, above, below, up, down, and between.